What's up, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Rachel. So as seen by the title down below, I'll be giving you guys a daily vlog. So please, I'm asking you to make sure that you drop a like on the video, spam in the comment section. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Turn on the post notification bell so you never miss out upload whenever time I post a video. And most importantly, please remember to watch the ads, okay? So today is surgery day, so we're gonna go by the hospital, and I'm gonna end up meet up with Chloe dad. In order to collect her bag, cause him buy school bag for Chloe, so you know me have a see him side, so it makes sense, you know, me just collect the bag other than, you know, if you make him come all the way which for me there. So anyway, we're gonna be going by the hospital, and then afterwards I don't know, I have a try to see if I can go Bashco, cause I try to see if I can get some white blouse for Chloe. Like I say, you know, I get them there down me inside. I don't think I'm going to go inside anytime soon, so I will just try to get them a Bashco and Mandeville. So anything we're going to be doing, you know, I will just show you all, except for what I won't be disclosing on the internet, right? Yeah, because I don't know, so I have to always upon my P's and my Q's since lately. So anyway, hope you guys watch the video to the end, enjoy the video, and as usual, go and look up myself. Alright guys, so this is some porridge that I'm going to be drinking. So this is plantain porridge with cornmeal. I'm going to have that with corned beef and bread, pear and plantain. Okay? These are the outfit that we're going to be wearing today. So Zoe, I will just wear this tight outfit with the top. Chloe is going to be wearing her hot girl clothes today. Yeah, our little belly skin blouse with the top. And then I'm going to be wearing this. So we're gonna get ready now, and I don't know, as usual, I'm gonna bring change of clothes for Zoe. I'm gonna bring change of clothes for Zoe, so I'm gonna bring this, the little shorts bottom here, and I'm gonna bring a top. I'm gonna look one great top for go with this for Zoe, so that she can have it as change of clothes. Me change my mind, I'm gonna just make Zoe wear this instead, and then I'm gonna bring this, so she can change in. So this I'm gonna bring. So this I'm gonna bring, and then I'm gonna make sure wear this. Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just got Chloe. I can't do myself with a girl to the bathroom. I don't know. Cause your time is mine. Wasted. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. Explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, nah.
I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap till this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like a sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm...
Alright guys, so we in a Bashco. I come to come check out slows, but I'm not getting none in here, so. So you Nika, hurt you? Be ramping the pan clothes, you know. Hey! Daddy! Baby! Thank God. Alright guys, so I get them here for Chloe. She already have pencils, so I just get crayon book, rubber, as much rubber when I should use. Alright guys, so here I'm in the supermarket. I am waiting on Nayoka. I'm going to take measurement for my birthday dress, okay?
You in my business, you might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open, keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep, you know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog ho, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head.
Alright guys, so this is spicy chicken and sweet and sour chicken with noodles. Alright guys, so they are food place. Hold on, what is that name? Food court? Food hut? Food hut. Just piece is on hot. So now
hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kissed. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all say it. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing back, saying baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put.
So I just reached home and I am so tired. So anyway, we get a case of book for Chloe and then we get her a pack of crayon, a rubber, and let me see. This here are 15 rubber. The one that I can put on the pencil and the other big one them. And then we see them here and we get them as well too. And then Chloe end up take up them here too. Each them here a rubber, them here a fashion rubber. So you know, handbag rubber, hat rubber, boot rubber. So anyway, me get her them because I know say she use rubber very badly. She use rubber terrible when she does school. So anyway, the case of book I buy have 6 in there, right? She's supposed to have about 2 or 3 new book we never use from the set we did buy her from in infant 2. So I know that she still have book same way, but we just buy her extra. So I think me gonna need scrapbook, and you know, me gonna get her like tights, fresh marina. And me gonna buy her some white blouse. Our uniform them already at work on, right? So we don't have to worry about them there. So roughly that is it. As I'm telling you before, I am not gonna buy her a textbook until the week in September, and the reason why I'm not gonna buy them is because of this. People remember their dog. It's because of this, like the school them always tend to make people buy book, and then when you buy the book them and go in the ear said then the book they not use and you waste money and buy the something them. So me, when I go in the school, me I go take the picture of the book them from my phone, and then I go to the town and just pay for the book them, because I check up the book them already and everything come up to about 13,000 odd, just to run it off to 14,000, because I almost 14,000 for all of the book them which you are gonna need. I'm going to look back on the book list and write down, because I'm going to go Mapping next week. So when I go Mapping next week now, I'm just going to buy, you know, a few other stuff. And also, I'm going to get her some fresh face rag, even though she have face rag already. But I'm going to get her some new ones, right? Yeah. So I'm going to get her new socks, new rag, new underwear, new ties, new marina, and all of them, right? Yeah. So we have a dinner for to eat. So I've tried pan bean, or we're going to eat. So we have tried pan bean, or we're going to eat for dinner. My belly pack. Alright guys, so this is tripe. Curry tripe. And bean. Bean there. You see that tripe with the bean. And rice and peas and vegetables. So I don't know, maybe I wonder where the tripe though, but see the tripe there through the rice, through to all the plate, they put on the car. Hence the reason why the rice cover up the tripe. But yeah, me just put on some water now. Me go try see if I can make some tea and drink, because for some reason I don't feel good.
No time for them.